Megha Kumar, teacher of Madhura Sandhya Public School and class teacher of nursery class. Today I will again teach you how to write small ABCD, but till L only. Do you remember that previously I have told you how to write small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g and small h. Now I will teach you how to write small I, j, k, l. Okay? First we will read it as usual. First reading करेंगे and then I will show you how to write. So ready. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish. G for grapes, H for hen. I for ice cream, small I will teach you today. J for jug, small j. K for kite, small k. And L for lion, small l. Okay, this was the reading portion. Now we will revise previous L letter also and learn the new one also. So I have already drawn the lines. Now remember this. See this. Small a. Okay. Small b. Small c. Small d. Okay. Then E, F, G, H. This you have already done and practiced. Now today's turn is small I. Very easy. We will draw one in these both blue lines. वन बनाएंगे छोटा सा ब्लू लाइन के अंदर और ऊपर एक डॉट लगा देंगे. स्मॉल आई, देन J. Make a one, turn it like this and then again a dot. जो G में बनाया था वैसा ही बनेगा, बस C की तरह टर्न नहीं होगा, ऊपर डॉट आएगा. स्मॉल J. K. वन और इन दोनों ब्लू लाइंस के बीच में K. Like this. V की तरह बनेगा लेकिन उल्टा. Then L is very easy, only single one. Red line से blue line. So I, J, K, L. So now we will read it. A, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l. Okay. Now let me tell you one thing very clearly. You will write 4 letters in one line only. Don't write A, B, C, D एक ही line में E, F, G, H. नहीं. One line में we will write only 4 और ऐसे ही neat and clean. A के नीचे ही E आएगा, E के down I. Don't make it here and there. वो नीटनेस नहीं होती है बेटा, उसको गंदा वर्क कहते हैं, अनटाइडी वर्क. हमें जब नीट एंड क्लीन वर्क करना होता है वी राइट लाइक दिस ओनली. नाउ आई विल ऑल्सो शो यू हाउ टू राइट ऑन द नोटबुक. सो रेडी? ओके, नाउ आई विल शो यू हाउ टू राइट ऑन द नोटबुक. सो सी, डू यू रिमेंबर हमने स्मॉल ए लाइक ऐसे लिखा था, देन स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल सी, स्मॉल डी. यू रिमेंबर इट? वेरी गुड. देन आई हैव गिवन यू अ PW. आपने कंप्लीट करा अपना PW. स्मॉल ए, स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल सी, स्मॉल डी. डन? वेरी गुड. Then I have taught you how to write small e, small f, small g, small h. Okay? Then there was also homework given with the previous homework, that was A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now today's turn is I will teach you how to write I, J, K, L. First we will make a small capital I and then small I is very easy, I told you, one and then a dot. Okay? J, capital J, one like this और turn करके dot, small j. Capital K, one और फिर दोनों blue lines के बीच में L, capital L and then one. You know why I am writing first capital? So that you remember that Capital I is like this and small I is like this. Capital J is like this, small j is like this. Because I will also teach you an exercise related to this. So this is the way you will practice it. Small I, J, K and L. Now today I am going to give you one more PW till L. Okay. You will write small a, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. Okay. Tell your mama to write it like this. Then she will draw lines with a scale 1, 2 and 3. You will write it like this. See, A, B, C, D. Carry on like this. Straight, 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 straight. Till here, जब आ जाए आपको, then you can do A to L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay. Now you will do this as your home PW. This will be your practice work. First write like this and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Beta, please practice it and show your mother, and take help if you don't know how to write. Take help with dots or tell your mother to hold your hand and help you to write. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.